guys, we're back with another video here. I'm going to do a wrench shootout with the selected 1/2-inch wrenches I have here. We have Carlyle 1/2-inch. That's the Carlyle. Gearwrench. Pittsburgh. I don't have a long Cornwell, but I do have a stubby Cornwell, so we're going to see what she'll do. The infamous Icon. DeWalt. I had to go buy this one because I did not have no DeWalt wrenches. And the Crescent. We're going to see which one fits the snuggest, which one slips easier. This here is a piece of 1/2-inch square. You'd call it, I guess, square key stock is what they call it on the key or the tag there. So let's go ahead and get started in this. This might be a long video. I am sorry, but I just wanted to do this. So let's get it started. The first one is the Crescent 1/2-inch. So from that, it took, a little bit of pressure, not much, but as you can see, it rounded that. Didn't do too much to this. And at the beginning, this was the tightest fitting one, but as you can see, it's very loose now on there. So that was the Crescent. Get you guys sat back up here. And we'll go with the Pittsburgh. You can see it's a little bit loose on there. This is a fresh spot that we haven't done yet. Well, here goes nothing. Well, there's that, folks. There's the other piece of the wrench. And that was our 1/2-inch wrench that we had. Yes, it's rusty. It's been laying around for a while, but that one snapped. Here's the Cornwell stubby. Okay, that one's not going. Definitely spread the teeth a little bit. Here's the Gearwrench 1/2-inch on a fresh spot. That one probably didn't go because it's a stubby and it's not, couldn't really get onto the wrench, but let's try this Gearwrench and see what happens here. I'm scared this one's going to break. This one's taking some force. And there it goes. Still as loose as it was before, so it didn't really spread the teeth open much, and you can see there's no, didn't tear the teeth up, but it didn't spread them really. Alright, let's do the DeWalt. See what happens here. that one definitely bent. And it is super loose on this. As you can see, it is ridiculously loose on there now. It didn't mar the teeth up really, or I should say the insides of the opened in, but that was the DeWalt, and this definitely separated. Alright, here's for the Carlyle. And the Carlyle and the Icon both have the flank drive or the teeth in there, whatever you want to call it yourself. You tell me those are the same dies. They're made by the same company. I'm not going to tell you how I know that. Yes, I got that from somebody at Icon. I'm not putting his name out there because I do not want him to lose his job. I'm not disrespectful like that. But Carlyle and Icon are made in the same place, same thing, and I still think the Carlyles are better than the Icons. Me, myself. But you can have your own opinion and I'll have mine. Opinions are great. Everybody has them. Let's see what happens here. See if it breaks. And it's not going to go because it's flank drive. It's going to just destroy shit. Something's happening, or it's bending the wrench. I don't know. She's stuck, boys. Okay, that spread the opening in here spread it open more. So that's not good. That's not good at all. Well, last but not least, the Icon. Let's see if this is going to destroy. I feel like this is going to break. Okay, we're going to need to pull on this with something. Give me 1 second, let me get something to pull on this with. Alrighty, we're back. Gonna put her on there. As you can see, it's a little bit tight. And let's see what happens. If it breaks or what? No, it just slips right off. So what we can gather from this and the Carlyle is the Carlyle teeth bite like crazy. They mean business when they bite. This Icon didn't bite at all. You've seen it there. It slipped completely off of there. Didn't bite at all. I had to beat the Icon off, I had to beat the Carlyle off because it bit so hard into our square key here. The Icon just rounded and went and did its thing because it's cheap. Carlyles, they're cheap wrenches, but they're still great wrenches. They're great wrenches. In my hands and in my thought, the Carlyle definitely did the best here and won this. Shout out to Carlyle, Napa. I love you guys. You guys do provide great tools, and our local Napa takes very good care of us here at the shop, and there ain't much more I can say about them. They're great people. Any questions I ever have, they get answered right away. If I need to call somebody to talk to someone there, they answer the question. Whether I want to hear what they have to say or not, they tell me the truth. At least I think that's what they're saying. But as you can see, this is from the Icon. This one here is the Icon, the bottom. That's Carlyle, and you can see it just bit. It meant business when it bit, and it didn't round off. And I was pushing on it hard enough. You should be able to see that. This here was the DeWalt, that little one there. That there was the Gearwrench. That was the Crescent. And I want to say that was the Pittsburgh right here that broke. and I can't remember which one we started out with. But you'll be able to see that in the video. Here's all of our wrenches we used. Let me get old one wing over here. The old famous Pittsburgh. Get her over there with her broke self. There's all the wrenches we used. And we had the stubby there, but really couldn't do that much with it because it's so short I couldn't get enough grip on it to push it, but it was still on there for a minute. Those are the wrenches we used: Icon, Pittsburgh, Gearwrench, Crescent, DeWalt, Carlyle, Cornwell. Leave your thoughts down below in the comments. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me in the comments which one you think did the best. Tell me which other stuff you'd like to see. If you want to see the sockets next, if you want to see ratchets, whatever you want to see next, tell me. I'll make it happen. Leave your opinions down in the comment section. And like always, get out and fix something and get back to